Okay, what we have here today is a broken necklace, which has some cat's eye beads on it and some gold accents, multiple rings. So what I'm going to do is, this is a broken necklace. I'm going to convert it into 2 bracelets and possibly 2 sets of earrings. So what I've started doing is I started removing the rings. So this is one of the bracelets I'm going to make, which is more of a traditional style bracelet and more of a timeless design. And then the second thing is I've also done this where I've removed the cat's eye stones, and this is the second bracelet I'm going to make. And if I have enough beads, then I'll try and make some earrings as well. So I'm just going to carry on and detach all these pieces here. The quickest way is to remove the cat's eye joining rings because they're a little bit easier to open up. So we'll just bring all those off. Even those pliers have a little bit of magnetism to them, so they're sticking to the metal. Makes it a little bit trickier. Okay, so put those all in that pile. Just carry on detaching them all, and then we'll reattach them in a different way, turn them into something totally different. Oops. This is great for if you have a piece of jewelry and you're kind of tired of wearing it. It gives you something new to wear, and without costing a bunch of money, which is always nice. Okay, so just lie that bead down. That's just a little bit tight still. Okay, coming along. This is a little bit of a slow process, but when you put it back together again, it goes fairly fast. So we're just about there, just a few more. Okay, just gotta find the right end, otherwise it's not gonna open. Okay. Now when you put this back together again, sometimes you can just put a clasp on the end, but if you're a little bit short of length, you can always put an extender on, which is always an option. Okay. All right, so this is the, oops, that's the wrong end. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this is the last one. Now, okay, so we're going to take the cat's eye ones first and put those ones together. So, and close up the loops on one of them when you start. Oh, there we go. Okay, and then you loop them together, close up the loop, and then just continue doing that all along. So you end up with a series of them together like this. Okay, so that one's closed. I'll just and you keep on doing that. Okay, so you can see that this is going to be quite a nice bracelet. Let's see. Okay, so you just carry on doing that, and then when you're done, you can add a clasp on the end. If it's long enough, all you'll need is a clasp, but if you don't have enough length, then you may have to put an extender on there. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how you make the earring. So what I've done is I've taken 3. You can do 2 depending on how many you have left. And then at the end, I've attached one of the large rings just to finish it off. So that's what the necklace is going to, or the earring is going to look like. So I'll just take a earring finding and open it up and just attach it on there, and there you have it. So there's one earring. Okay, now the second one of what I've done is I've already started this one, so now I've just, this is the way the bracelet is, the second bracelet is going to be. It's going to be a continuous of rings. I thought probably about 4 rings for the earrings. So all you have to do is attach that onto a earring finding. So I've added another jump ring on there. Now, if you hang it this way, it doesn't really hang straight on, but that's a nice look. Now, if you take the top loop off and then just hang it directly with the large loop right onto the earring, then you'll be able to see the rings straight on. And I'll just gotta open this up a little more. Okay, so okay, see, that's not straight on. I'm just going to close that up. It's not tight enough. Okay, so there we have the two earrings. Okay, so the ring on okay, the ring on the cat's eye on the bottom just kind of finishes that off nicely. So to continue doing the bracelet, the second bracelet, you just continue attaching the rings, and like I said with the other one there, if you don't have enough length, then you can add an extender on there. If you do have enough length, then you can just put a regular clasp. And there you have it.